Good morning, everybody. Today I am in Paris and we're going to check out the top attractions here in the city, in this beautiful and romantic Paris city. And we are walking just right next to the Eiffel Tower. And I did show you in that first episode, so in the previous episodes, that we were already here at night. We went up. It was stunning, but unfortunately, filming at night, it might not do the justice. Anyway, without further ado, let's go. So we are going to take the big bus today, and it has 10 stops. And actually, we are going to take it today and tomorrow. It's the first time for me on a big bus, but they do have them, as many of you know, they do have them all over the world and at the major cities.
After a brief wait, our bus arrived. These double-decker buses are also called the hop-on, hop-off buses. In Paris, it cost us around $44 per person for the 2 days. Having taken it at stop number 1, we decided to skip and head to the third stop, which is the Opéra Garnier. Along the way, you can see so many beautiful and old buildings that Paris is so well known for. Our first stop is at the Galeries Lafayette, which is an upmarket French department store.
So if you are coming to Paris to do some shopping, this is definitely one of those areas that you do want to check out. They have like lots of the brand names like Uniqlo, for example.
Our stop here also took us to the Opéra Garnier, which is a stunningly beautiful place to visit. Afterwards, we headed to the nearby Louvre Museum.
The Museum of Louvre is definitely one of the top attractions. Apart from the Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe. But unfortunately, we underestimated this one, and it's closed on a Tuesday. So keep that in mind, and you definitely need reservations for you to go in right now because of the restrictions. And yeah, so we're just walking around this one, and I've heard anyway that it's so big that I could probably spend a whole day here, and we don't have that. We only have 2 days here, so we are going to just walk around and go to the next bus stop to continue to explore more of the top attractions here in Paris. Let's continue.
The next stop was at the Cathedral of Notre Dame, which dates back to the 13th century.
The Notre Dame Cathedral, which, as you know, burned partially down, at least part of the roof or something, burned down a couple of years ago. Like I think it was 2019, and so you cannot get inside. You cannot get really even close to the building. As you see, there are like barricades all over, all around the building, but it's still nice to be here and presence it. And hopefully in a couple of years it will be open again and to the public, so everybody can come visit.
Here you can see how it used to look and how the reconstruction is going. If everything goes right, it should be open again in the year 2024.
So we just ordered a hot chocolate because of the cold. We want to get a little bit of something hot in the body so we can continue this tour. It's not too strong, the chocolate, but it's like good. It's good. Now our next stop is here at the Triomphe. We are going to try to go up there. Hopefully we can. Let's go.
The Arc de Triomphe is one of the most famous monuments in Paris and maybe even in the world. It was inaugurated in 1836 and it honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolution and Napoleonic Wars.
Viendo le salvi, por la fuera arriba.
Voilà, on peut tellement entendu que c'est l'air d'aller Bonjour.
Bonjour. So we got the special treatment because my father, so since he's 87, he can't really go up the stairs. So we got like two elevators to get up here. The view is amazing. I have to admit, this one is pretty cool, and actually I dare say even cooler than the Eiffel Tower, which we can see over there. But the especially, maybe it's the sun right now, the way it's shining on everything. We've had a pretty good day, cold but good, sunny. And yeah, so I like this one. It's well worth coming up here, no doubt.
Thanks for watching till the end. While this is a little different from my Aruba videos, which you may be used to, travel content is actually the way my channel started and is something that I will occasionally continue to feature. There are a lot more videos coming from France, so please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified of my latest uploads. Bye bye, see you in the next one.
This. Anyway, without further ado, let's go. Yes. Excuse me? So we are going to take the big bus today, and these are the stops. They are. Sorry.
So when you get off at number 8,
Really?